What's up guys? So today we're back to the game animation sample and I'm going to teach you how to add the rifle and the rifle animations. So let's begin. The first things we need is the animations. So we're going to use two animations, one when we're not aiming and another one when we're aiming. So let's go to characters, UEFN mannequin, animations. Let's go to the idle folder. And we're going to duplicate the melee animation that we created in the first video. Okay, so duplicate, delete this one, and here we're going to change this to rifle. Open it up. We can delete all of these curves. We can delete all of this as well. We can move this here, and now we can go to the clavicle R. And the roll, we're going to set this to 5. Let's go to the upper arm right and set the yaw to 35, like this. Now the pitch over here, we're going to set this to 5. Now let's go to the lower arm right, and the yaw is going to be 65, like this. Now the pitch is going to be -5, like this. Okay. Now on the hand R, we're going to set the yaw to -55, like this. The pitch to -10, so like this, and the roll to -10. That's it. We can add a key and the right arm is done. Now we're going to go over here to the lower arm left, and the yaw is going to be 70, like this. The pitch is going to be -5. The roll is going to be -80, so like this. Now we're going to go to the hand L. The yaw is going to be 5, like this. The pitch is going to be -5, like this. And the roll is going to be -35, like this. Now we're going to go to the thumb 1L, okay, and then just set the pitch to -15, add a key, and that's it. We have our animation when we're not aiming. We can save this, we can close this, we can grab these two animations that we changed and move them to the animations folder so that we keep things separate. And now the second animation we're going to import it is the rifle animation from Lara, which is in the description. You can drag it in, and here I'm going to select the UEFN mannequin, click import, open it up. Now we can pause this, move this here. We're also going to change a few things here. We're going to go first on the hand R. Okay, we're going to set the yaw to 5, like this. The roll to 10, like this. Now on the clavicle L, we're going to set the yaw to 10, like this, and the roll to -5, like this. Now on the thumb 1L, we're going to set the pitch to -10, add a key, and that's it. We have our animation. So we can close this, and now we're going to add this to our overlays. So contents, blueprints, the animation blueprint. Let's go to the animation graph over here. Let's go to the overlays that we created before. And we can just move this here a little bit. Over here, we're going to expose our rifle overlay like this. Now we can connect things here. And essentially, we're just going to use the same layers that we use for the pistol to apply to the rifle. So we can copy this and paste right here, like this. I can't move this. Okay, like this. Here we can say rifle, and Now what we're going to do is connect this over here to the rifle pose, and we're going to replace these three animations so we can delete them, and we're going to use the animations that we created. So we can search for rifle, and in this case we're going to use the UEFN rifle IDS, which is the one where we are aiming. Convert to single frame animation, connect over there, copy, paste, connect over there, paste, connect over there, and that's basically it. So now what we're going to do here is essentially apply the other animation when we are not aiming. And to do that, we already have this blend by bool, which selects the animation depending on if we're aiming or not. So we're just basically going to replace this main pose. To do that, we're just going to copy these three layers and paste them over here. Now we're going to replace these three animations by the other animation that we have over here. Convert to single frame, connect right there, and right there, and right there. Okay. Now this one we're going to connect to the false over there. We can delete this pose. We can move this here, and that's basically it. So here on these layers, I'm going to set this value to 0.7, okay, and this one to 0.7 as well. And here on this ones, I'm going to set this to 1 and this one to 1 as well. Now that's basically it. Next thing we're going to do is just adjust the blend times, because I noticed they were just a little bit slow. So I'm going to set everything to 0.15 on this one, on this one, on this one, and this one, and over here on this one over here, I'm also going to set all of this. So that's it. Now I'm going to go to the animation graph, and over here on this aim offset blend pose, I'm also going to set this to 0.15 and 0.15, and this way everything is a little bit smoother. The last thing on the animation blueprint is here on the set aim offset function that we created. Instead of 6, I'm going to set this to 5 so that we can aim a little bit further. Okay. That's basically it. So now we're going to create our rifle, so we can close this. And here on weapons, let's go to meshes, and we're going to import the rifle that is on the description, this one right here. Make sure you clear the skeleton, so and then import. Now open it up and just select the weapon material that was right there, and that's it. Now we can close all of this. Let's go to weapons, and here we can create a new blueprint class, actor, call it BP rifle, open it up. Here we're going to add a skeletal mesh, and here we're going to select the rifle. So that's it. Compile, save. We can close this. Now we're going to add the weapon to our character. So we're here on the weapons list that we created. We're going to add a new weapon. We're going to add the rifle, and the positions, I already have them right here, so you can copy them from the description and then go over here and just paste, and that's basically it. So compile, save. Now here on the event graph, we're going to add a new key to use our rifle. So we're going to copy this over here, change this key to 3 over here, key number 3. The overlay will be the rifle. The index will be index 2. Compile, save, and that's basically it. So we can hit play, and if I press 1, I have the X, the pistol, and the rifle. So as you can see, now the rifle is on the right position. Of course, it's not attached to the weapon. You have to use hand IK to do that, but as you can see, it is on the perfect position, and then you can do the rest. So if we aim right now, as you can see, this is how it looks. We have a rifle now, and as you can see, it looks really good. So that's it, guys. This is how you can use all these different weapons, and as you can see, it is pretty simple. It's not as complex as it seems. And right now I'm going to teach you how you can use all these weapons with all the different characters that exist on the project. So to do that, for example, as you can see, if I play with the meta humans and equip a weapon, you can see that the weapon is not exactly attached to this character. It is still attached to the original character. So the weapons will just float like this, okay? So to fix that, we can go to the retargeted characters, open the MetaHuman, and we can go to the construction script, and we can grab the weapon because it already exists on this character because it is a child of our main character, okay? We can say attach components to components, and here we're going to grab the MetaHuman body, which is this one, and connect over here. So essentially, we're going to attach the weapon to the MetaHuman body, and now we're going to specify the bone where we want to attach to. So on the original character, the bone is hand R, and on the MetaHuman character, it is also hand R. So we can just write hand R like this, compile save, and now if we hit play, we can equip these weapons, and as you can see, it is equipped to the MetaHuman hand, okay? So it will not float anymore because now it is attached to the correct skeleton. Of course, there are differences between all these large characters, as you can see, so that you will have to adjust. My advice is to use these large ones, which work pretty well. But that's it, guys. This is how you can use all these weapons with all these different characters. So I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something with it, and don't forget to subscribe.